si Vice President Sara Duterte could file a perjury case against kay former Senator Trillanes since he made a sworn statement that can be proven false. He could go to jail. Pwede siya makulong kung nagsisinungaling siya. She could also clear her name by signing a bank waiver. Since that would publicly prove Trillanes is lying, it would be her chance to vindicate herself. Diba? So, ano ang pumipigil sa kanya? What's stopping her to do? She is a lawyer with 80% GWA. Ibig sabihin, GWA is General Weighted Average. Has all the resources to defend herself. And has even hired 16 lawyers. Diba? Given all that, there seems to be one and only possible reason she would file the case. Ano yun? Trillanes was telling the truth. Diba? Guys, echoing this from Voice of Millennials, filing a perjury case opens the door for discovery. To prove Trillanes is lying about her bank records, she would likely be required to present the real bank records as evidence to the court. This essentially forces her to do exactly what she is avoiding. Ito yung ayaw niya yung disclosing her private financial history. Pero, ayon naman sa mga DDS, bakit daw natin paniniwalaan ang isang Sonny Trillanes na trililing daw? Sabihin natin, ang statement ni Trillanes impeachment hearing ay official. Ibig sabihin, pinanumpaan niya. Under oath siya at pwede siyang makasuhan. Proven na nagsisinungaling siya. Si Sara naman, saan tumatakbo? Sa media. Sa social media, nagsasalita or naglalabas ng statement. Hindi ito sinumpaang salaysay. She's not under oath. So kahit kasinungalingan pa or ano man ang sasabihin niya, ano man ang pinagsasabi niya tungkol sa mga akusasyon kaugnay sa impeachment, hindi siya makakasuhan. O pera na lang kung libelous ito, di ba? Kasi hindi naman siya under oath dito Ligtas siya. So sino ngayon ang paniniwalaan natin? Yung isang nagsasabi ng totoo under oath o yung isang nagpa-presscon lang? So, ang mga DDS, expect natin to work overtime debunking it. Kaya sa totoo lang, ito talagang suggestion ko All public officials should be exempted from the bank secrecy law. Dapat ganun. Magkaroon sana ng batas na once na umupo ka sa pwesto, exempted ka sa bank secrecy law.
哎呦我的妈！